Hi, my name is Caroline from Más Clientes, and we help small businesses grow their business online. Have you ever wondered how you could do this yourself? Well, let me explain to you. First of all, why should you want to be online? Digital marketing is a term used to describe all different methods you can use to advertise yourself online, including having your own website so that customers can find you quicker and easier. With so many businesses out there and therefore the number of choices growing, you need to market yourself to stand out. The internet now is extremely accessible and people spend about 5 hours each day on their mobile phones. Therefore, as people's time spent online continues to increase, you also want to be in this space. If you're currently using print to advertise your products, this is great. The more places you can be present where people spend their time, the better. Now, let's go through how digital marketing can help you grow your business in 5 simple steps. Step 1, it allows you to be where your customers are. These are places like Google and other search engines, like Yelp, Yahoo, and Bing. When people are looking for products or services that they need or are interested in, they type it into Google. If you are on the first page offering something that they are looking for, and you're nearby, you will most likely capture their interest. If you have an established website and a solid presence online, you can appear naturally on this first page. However, you can also pay to appear in ad spaces in Google on the top and the bottom of the first page through a tool called AdWords. This is an effective way to advertise to people who are already interested or looking to buy the product or service you might be selling. AdWords can be a complicated tool. Some companies, like ours, have a certified person just working on AdWords. Don't be discouraged, it's a great tool. However, be sure that the person doing your AdWords understands your market and your customer. You want to advertise on social media. As people spend an average of 2 hours every day on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, these are platforms that capture a lot of information on what people are interested in and what they like. So this is an effective place to advertise as you can pick which people to show your products or services to depending on their interest. For example, if you are selling a party venue, you can specifically target 15-year-old girls who are planning their quinceañera. You want to advertise on other places online where people intentionally go to buy. The beauty of having an ad on an online marketplace or database like Craigslist or Yelp is that people are in the mentality to buy. As there are so many people trying to sell something here, being unique and having a compelling ad is important. Specialty databases also allow you to access your ideal customer. For example, elclasificado.com specifically targets the Hispanic community in California and the rest of the US. Step 2, you can show them what you're all about. When people are interested in what you have to offer and click on your ad, you want to take them to a place with all the information they need to make their purchasing decision. This is information like what products or services you offer, what makes you unique, what customers should buy from you over other competitors, customer reviews, and most importantly, where they can find you and how they can reach you. This is the purpose of a website. The design, structure, and content on your website is extremely important to convince a customer they want to buy from you. A few years ago, hiring a web designer to build your website was costly and lengthy. Luckily now, there are affordable, easy solutions that can get you a website within a couple of days. Step 3, you want to build relationships with your customers. Once you have successfully advertised your business online and customers are calling you, this is your chance to make a first good and lasting impression. Greet them in a friendly way and provide them the additional information they need in order to make their purchasing decision. Step 4, you want to analyze your performance. Building an online presence that will generate new leads takes time and is a continuous process. Having a tool that breaks down information about how well your digital marketing is performing and displays this in a clear and easy way is very helpful. If you want to grow your business, it is always important to make sure you take time to review your performance so you can understand what you can do to improve it. At Más Clientes, we have a dashboard which gives you access to this information. We analyze our customers' performance together and use our expertise and digital marketing tools to continuously improve it. Step 5, you want to look at how to boost your performance. Once you get started with advertising your business online, it is important to keep testing new digital marketing methods in order to capture your customers' interest and get more leads. These are things such as video. You can say so much more with video.
I always like to tell people I never wanted to be an entrepreneur. That wasn't my plan.
Increasing your investment. This will help you appear in better ad positions for longer. Photography. Having professional photos can drastically improve the quality of your website and will help customers familiarize with your business. Research what your competition is doing. This will help you gain new ideas and understand how you can stand out. Improve your message in your ads. If you hire someone to create your digital marketing, be cautious to ensure that this person or agency understands your market and customer. Spanish is spoken differently all over the world, and some people or agencies may primarily use Google Translate. Using the right wording for your ads and website is key to attracting more potential customers and growing your business. Digital marketing is a great way to reach new potential customers. Although there's a lot to learn, there's a world of opportunity waiting for you. We hope you found this useful. If you want to find out more how digital marketing can help you gain more customers online, visit us at www.masclientes.com. Más Clientes, somos Latinos.